What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to add borders around my elements using Elementor WordPress plugin for free. So in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to do this right here. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. First thing, you need to access your WordPress dashboard. How to access WordPress dashboard? On the browser address bar, enter your field domain name plus wp-admin and enter with login credentials so you can log in on your WordPress dashboard. After, go back to your home page and you're gonna be able to see the toolbar of options that WordPress adds, and you're always gonna be able to see edit with Elementor as long as you are using Elementor plugin. Click on it. Wait while the Elementor page builder editor loads. While you do wait, take a moment to hit the like button on this video. After loading, scroll down until the section that you would like to add some borders around, okay? I recommend you always add the borders around columns. What are columns? This is one column, okay? As you can see, here is a column. You can hover your mouse over the section. For example, right here. Click with the right button of your mouse and click on the button Edit Column. Then you're going to be able to see into the left side of menus, Layout, Style, and Advanced. We're going to go to the tab Style. Once on Style, you're going to be able to see Background, Background Types, Borders, and Typography. Let's go to Borders. You can choose the border style, Solid, Dashed, Dotted, and you can choose the layout that better suits your needs. Then you can choose the size of your borders. For example, 1, 2, 10 pixels. Up to you, up to your needs, up to the design that you want to achieve. You can change the border color, in the case that you want. You can change the border radius, in the case that you want as well, up to you and to your needs. And you can add a shadow, in the case that you want. You can apply some little shadow effect, just like this. Nice, right? And it is simple, easy, and very effective. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Always remember that you have to hit the upper right corner of your screen publish button to save your changes, and you are good to go. And it is. You can change also the border on hover effect, in the case that you want. And the same things for hover. And the transition duration can be edited as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!